Hey guys, Kev here, and I have a package from Big White EDC. Another one. Got this case. I got this case. I got this, and I got this. So, let's see what we got. Yesterday we got the Turbo Glow. We got the mechanical milk lid. We got the one bean coin. We got some stuff. This is a cool little EDC pouch. I'm guessing, yeah, this has bearings and stuff in it. So he was sending me some bearings and whatnot to test. He's going to be selling these on his website. So these are actually hybrids. Looks like we got some. So I'm guessing the supplier is the same exact supplier as Caps, perhaps, because this looks very similar to me. Is there a little... Yep. Oh, no, it is a little different. I like these little baggies. So it's a white-on-white type B, basically. Ceramic bearing. These are the cheaper ones, I think. They're like $1 if you buy them in bulk or something. So I will probably be testing all those. And then I asked for a few more Teflon balls because I was running low for my Dharma. So keep all this here. I'm still waiting for Big White he's waiting to get the C-type bearings, the ones that I put in like everything that just sound amazing. These are retention type spinners, so these might be a great option to test stuff on because the bearings will just go in and out pretty quick. Anyway, let's see what this is. I think this is the pill bug for giveaway. So I do have the new bearings, the multi-rows, into my Jaegers. This one is, whew, man. I flipped that one a bunch last night. This one I haven't really messed with, so this one might need a little more, yeah. Probably needs a little break-in time. But both are feeling pretty good. They definitely feel smooth. And I think the sounds are better. I don't know. Could be in my head, too. So I had a black pill bug junior, but that one is since gone. I just have a pile of stuff over here at this point. Got a lot of unboxings coming. Yeah, so this is the red one. I believe he wanted me to give this one away. Wasn't quite sure if there was a reason or if it was for something, but I think he wanted me to give it away. So I'll talk to Big White about it, see how he wants me to do that. So this may be something you guys are able to win. This is cool. The black one was nice because it was just black. It looked cool. But this actually has, look at the finishing. It's like a weird, it's not plastic. It is some kind of metal, I think, but it's different. It's cool. I think the pill bug's awesome. I just think, for me, it gets a little bit boring after a while. I think for a lot of people, this would be a cool novelty thing that'll last. For me, I want to, switch to something loud, and I don't know. I'm also not really a wheel spinner type person, but this is really cool. So thank you to Big White EDC for donating that to the channel. And then we have this I ordered myself. I paid for this one. So I randomly just buy stuff and then he kind of piles it up until he sends me a package of stuff. This is from Muji, which is, as our buddy Fidget Focus would say, Muji Gaipan. That looks cool. It all seems to be made by the same company, honestly. Comes in the same package as EDC or Loudy. I think they're all made in the same factory. Oh, You got little wings, and then you got little... Somebody said these are dampeners, and they wear off like immediately, so they're kind of pointless. I can't remember if I got Zerk or Ty. I guess this is Ty? Nope, Zirconium Blue. I didn't know there was Zirconium Blue. I didn't even know you could get blue Zirconium. This is the fan. I think some people call it the peacock, and I think other people call it the feathers, and like there's just names for everything. That's what they call it. The nothing. So there you go. And it's essentially kind of like a shuffle where they slide out to the side and then they click close. And apparently there's a attachment for it. He was telling me about, Big White was telling me about, which is called the horseshoe. I don't know what that does. I'll have to check on that if that's coming. It does have a good amount of magnets. I mean, can I pop these off? Yeah, look, you can fan them out. Get it? Fan it out. So you have 3, 6, 3, 6, 2, 2. So you got a good amount of magnets here. Can you go the other way? No. So it's basically a shuffle type thing. They were going for that market. Is it terrible? No, it's not. It has a good click to it. But it's a bit awkward. You know? The shape and everything is just kind of awkward to me. But it has a good click. The magnets are relatively strong, which was my concern for it. It does feel a little janky. But I think that's just the nature of the beast here. You can do it on this side so you don't see any of the magnets. Or you can do it on this side and you can see them. Left-handed. You can do pretty much everything. I think you might be able to remove a layer and bring it down to 2 layers and just do a little less clicking or something. I don't know. So maybe that, what was that other piece in there? Hold on. Wasn't there like a metal thing in there? Hold on. I wonder what those are. Is that the horseshoe he's talking about? I don't know what you would do with this. Huh, interesting. I'll have to ask. This might be something that goes around the FPAG group. I already have boxes all set up over here where I'm sending some of the items from yesterday off to Melanie and Preston. And I already sent some other stuff to Kyle. This is pretty cool, but also I don't think it's something that would replace the shuffle for me. It's got a little more stretch to it than the shuffle, which is nice. So this is nice. It's kind of like you take a shuffle and like a CP3 and put them together. So this is way better than I expected. The thing I love about the shuffle is this move. You can kind of go over the top and get good clicks, good handcuff pop. This does that. So this isn't as bad as I expected it to be. Is it worth $170 or whatever I probably paid? I don't know. It's a stretch. It's very flimsy. You know, it comes apart real easy. So I don't know if I can tighten that down to make it. Maybe that's the problem. Is it too loose? Might not be able to reach that. Oh yeah, hold on. Wait, is it just spinning? Oh no, that's tightening, I think. Right? Or am I just pushing that around? Feels a little tighter now, honestly, but still rattly. Huh. Guess you need 2 screwdrivers. Alright. Anyway, that's the fan. Then we have the big hitter today. The big hitter. Oh man, this is like, because it was in the air or whatever. God damn it. There we go. You can hear the seal break. Alright guys, here it is. Un hot dog. Number 4 of 100. They didn't put the X. That's weird. Hot dog. This is the one I would want. The Zerk looks cool with the Zerker tie, but this is going to be the lightest one, so you're going to get the best clicks, probably. Hot dog. It's even got a little... You know what I was going to say. Really? Really? That's it? That's it? Black Mirror? That's it? Has no click. This is even the titanium. It's supposed to be lighter material. It's supposed to give you good clicks. Oh my god, this is horrible. So I guess they were going for the Think It thing. Right? They were trying to steal the Think It thing, but do it as a hot dog. I mean, it's not horrendous, but it's pretty bad. I mean, the magnets just aren't there. It needs to be strong. If these were heavy clicks and you got like 3 or 4, I'd be all about it. But as is, this is... Ooh. You can unscrew it, but I don't know what... Are you just going to take the hot dog out? Or... Let's find out. Probably a T8. Uh-oh. Magnets are jumping. No! This is... Wonder if they were in there wrong. Oh, shit! Okay. Alright then. That was funny. God damn it. I shouldn't have opened it. We all know this. We all know it. Damn it, now it's like stuck. Oh. I just want to see if it still works. Uh-oh, I put one in backwards. Look at that. It almost makes it better. Alright, hold on. I hate this shit. Ugh. God. They're just jumping everywhere, so it's making it very... You see that? Just jumped around it. Okay, what I need is more magnets. You'll see. I just need more magnets. Are these all the same? No. Okay. Jesus. I don't know why they won't just stay in there. Maybe if I keep it in this position. I'm not getting angry. Everything's fine. God damn it. This is great. Ugh, okay. Okay, so just so you can see, there's these two rods, magnets on the bottom, and the two posts, right? So what you do is you slide un hot dog in here. You take the post, and that goes. Oop. So hard. You need tiny hands for this stuff. I don't know how they assemble these in the factory. It has to suck. Okay, so you take it like that. Then the magnets go in. This is the problem I'm having, is getting the magnets in place. So I don't know if it's easier to do this. You know, if I have something on this side, like this, right, to magnetize it to. I don't think that's going to work. I don't know why the magnets aren't strong enough, though. See, they are, but it's dependent on where the hot dog is at the moment. And it pulls everything out of the way. This really sucks. Jesus Christ. I'm going to try to walk it in like this. Yes, this should work. Okay. You always want to have counterbalance, more magnets. All right. I'm not saying I did it right. We're going to find out in a second, but yep, that's it. So it's supposed to be like the Think It, where you flip it around, pop, flip it around, pop. But what they needed was stronger magnets, because it's just not satisfying at all. If it was kind of fun, then it would be cool, right? But you can barely even distinguish clicks. So that's that. I'm going to put these away. Oh, they're ripping through the bag now? I need to send some to a couple people who reached out already, so I'll be doing that in a second. Oh my god. Dude, magnets are the coolest and most frustrating things out there. I love them, and I absolutely hate them at the same time. It's hilarious. So there we go. We got the pill bug. We got the hot dog. And we got the feathers. So thank you to Big White EDC once again for sending these my way to check out. I really appreciate it. And yeah, these will probably be going around, or I don't know what'll happen to them. I don't really particularly like any of them. Let's say 25 or 9.5. So weird. And these are too polished, I think. So sweaty hands aren't great, but it's got some texture to it. It's just, they're just an awkward shape. So they're never going to be something I really enjoy, you know what I mean? So we'll see what happens to those, but un hot dog. This one will definitely get passed around. This is the coolest thing to do with it, is to hit it on your table like this. All right, I love you guys. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I will catch you later.